Good morning for this Wednesday, November 20th. This is Todd Mitchell. Welcome to the free video today. There's a couple markets I want to take a look at. I want to take a look at the indexes. The first one I want to look at is the SPY, right? The S&P deposit receipts, all right? SPY, right? Obviously, the market's coming down off this high, right? Coming down off the high. Yesterday, we made a lower high and a lower low, all right? Let's take a look at the Let's take a look at the QQQs. It looks pretty similar, right? Market didn't really bust up through the highs like the the S&Ps did, right? The SPY still coming down off that high here. And look at the Russell. Russell looks like there's a potential double top here, right? Kind of failed at that high here. We're coming down. The better trade setup, I think, right now is the DIA. Okay, even though this market is, just like the S&Ps have kind of blown up through the highs, while the other three markets, right, the SPY, the QQQ, and the Russell, the IWM, right, the IWM, the Russell looks like the double top. The DIA is still near the all-time highs, and we're working on the second inside pattern. Look at yesterday, the high was slightly lower than the highest high right here, the all-time high right here. This is slightly lower. And this low, yesterday's low, is slightly higher than the prior bar's low, right? So I think this has more room to move to the downside once we do break to the downside right in here, all right? So I think a better short setup is in the Dow Jones, the DIA, trading currently about 179.12, right? So again, just comparing the three markets, the SPY was up, we're coming down off that high. The QQQs look very similar. The IWM looks like a potential double top because the market really tried to test this high and we failed to get there. And we're coming down, and then you take a look at the Dow. The Dow was still really not moving down at all. So a relatively short, a very short-term trade with a very small stop loss would be going short below yesterday's low of 159.09 with that in a stop at 156.05, taking out that high right in here. So again, the market has definitely consolidated up in here, or at least the we've contracted quite a bit up in here, and I think we've got a little bit more we could move to the downside here. But the big thing here is breaking down through yesterday's low and then taking out Monday's low. See, these are only, look at that, 159.09. The prior day was 159.07. So breaking down through 159.07 to the downside today could lead to a nice short trade today. All right, let's talk about Dave Lucas and I are the live webinar that I'm giving on Thursday night, and Dave will give on Saturday his part. And if you recall the videos that we did in the power stock with the paid pullback strategy. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline how I personally do it, right? I personally like the weekly options, okay? When doing the pullback strategy, the paid pullback strategy, I use weekly options. I give you my portfolio, right? My entire watch list, how I look to do it, exactly what I look for on the charts in order to come up with trades, my exact specifications on what I need to see in terms of collecting, in terms of premium, exactly when I look to put these trades on, how I take them off, everything from A to Z. And again, it's going to be on Thursday night at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. It's going to go until about 10 o'clock, maybe a little later than 10 o'clock. We'll see, but I'm going to give you a lot of good stuff. You'll have the recording as well and the entire PowerPoint presentation as well, and I think you'll enjoy that. So hope to see you there. Have a great day. Have a profitable day. And I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now. Again, the website is tradingconceptsinc.com/paid pullback. That's the URL. tradingconceptsinc.com/paid, P-A-I-D pullback, P-U-L-L-B-A-C-K /. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.